Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some storage. So Saner Direct contacted me again and asked if I would unbox one of their items, and I'm like, of course. If it's storage, of course I have to say yes. I have a problem. Yes, I know. Storage addiction. Okay, so this is from Saner Direct on Amazon. So just sent me the one item here, and it is, if I could find the opening, it's right here. It's the, if I could open it. Okay. It's the big Tic Tac containers. So I have unboxed the big Tic Tac containers before, but I actually don't have this version of it. I've gotten, okay, so this is the Tic Tac containers. There's some labels here, and these are the 32 Tic Tac containers of these larger variety. And if you have not seen the larger variety before and just need some sort of size gauge, here is a regular Tic Tac box, and there's the big one. So it's way more than double. It's probably about 2.5 times bigger, I think. I think it's 2.5 times bigger than the regular Tic Tac containers, and these hold a lot. So yeah, it comes with 32 of them. It's in the same container that you would normally get the 64 of these containers. And right now on Amazon, this is selling for $12.99, and as of me recording this on Saturday, this is gonna get posted on Tuesday, there is a 5% off coupon. And well, I should show you how much it holds. Let me go get some drills. Okay, I got some drills. These are round drills in a very, very full Harbor Freight container. So just for size comparison, I'm going to get a tray just in case I do some spillage. So yeah, here is the big Tic Tac container. Here's a very full Harbor Freight container, and we're gonna see if we could pour some without, yep. Let me go get my funnel, pour some, and see how much will fit in there. Okay. Okay. Looks like more could fit. Oop, I hit my head on the camera, of course, because that's what happens. Okay. So it's not full, but I just didn't want to not be able to close it. Maybe I could just put some of this here. So, okay, so I think that's about it. So it actually holds this, like if you saw this container, this was probably overly full of a Harbor Freight container. So, and I probably, if I know, and this one is a pretty full one of these. So yeah, it holds almost as much as the Harbor Freights, but I think it has a smaller footprint. It won't take up as much space as one of the containers. And then for funsies, let's show you how much of the bottle system holds compared. So it does pour out from the thing pretty well. Okay, so I mean, it's not full, but it's pretty much most of the time how much you're going to put in there. So the bottle is pretty full, and we still have like probably probably like half of this thing left. A little bit less than that half. So yeah, it does hold a lot in there. And in case you're wondering how much fits in the smaller Tic Tac container compared. Okay. So yeah, I wasn't even able to fill up the... So yeah, I really do think that these are about 2.5 times bigger than this. Not 2 times, but not 3 times, so like 2.5 times. So yeah, I think, yeah. So it does hold a lot, so... And they're not as bulky as the Harbor Freight containers, because the Harbor Freight containers are a little bit bulky, and the outer container of it is bulky too. I'm just putting that back in here because that's where my stuff was kitted up. But yeah, no, so yeah, it holds a decent amount in there. Okay. So I said that there were 32 of this, and it was $12.99. And since this is a short video and Saner Direct is apparently keeping me in my keeping me full with my storage addiction, in the past they have also sent me other Tic Tac containers. They're also in this same listing on Amazon. Maybe I should just show you the listing on Amazon. So I should close the email. Okay, so here is the listing on Amazon. So this is currently $12.99. They have also in the past sent me... They have also in the past sent me this one here, which is a $16.99, and it also has a 25% off coupon right now. And so it's this 100 grid case here. So it has the smaller Tic Tac containers, but 100 of them. And so right now with the $16.99 with 25% off, what is that? $16.99 with 25, oop. $16.99 times 0.75. Wait, oh, I said times. I didn't divide. $16.99 times 0.75. Those should be at $12.74. How do I close this thing? See, when my computer is in tablet form, it's just weird. I might have to change it to there. So yeah, they do still have this 100 grid case right now for $16.99 with 25% off. And they have also sent me in the past this one, which is this was the 84 grid storage, except I did add a couple more because I was able to fit more if I put the drills this direction. So I've been using this to kit up all of my special shape drill diamond paintings when I'm doing them. I find that I'm thinking I would just kit up, like, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's this 5 diamond paintings so far. But I just keep adding, and then my plan is I'm just going to kit them all down at the same time. And I like that they're individual, so that when I kit them down, I'll just be able to like sort them by color. So yeah. So yeah, this one is the 84 grid one, except I did add a couple because the way it was on the website, it looked like this. Oop. If it would turn not upside down. Okay. It looked like this. The things were in sideways like that, and I just put it in this way. So I did add a couple from a different storage system. And then, so yeah, this they had sent me in a previous unboxing, and And they also, well, not they, I bought this. I paid my own money with this one. So they do have this system too, which is also on that same listing. This one is $14.99 and there's currently a 10% off when you buy it. This was actually full. There, I just took some drills. I mean, this was actually full of this. There's 60 bottles. So there's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 40. And then there are 20 of the little tiny ones. I bought this myself a while back, and I actually unboxed it on this channel too. But I was like, hey, it's all on the same listing from Saner Direct, and they've been very kind enough to send me a bunch of different storage. So yeah. Wow, that last one I bought myself. But yeah, this is the one that this unboxing is for. So yeah, if you want to get one of these lovely 32 bottle cases, they are $12.99 right now, with the 5% off coupon. So yeah, that's all for today. So thank you to Saner Direct for sending me this item for the review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.